This is how typewriters have changed in over a century. In 1873, the first commercially successful typewriter, the Scholes and Glidden model, revolutionized writing, featuring a QWERTY keyboard, yet it was loud and slow. Fast forward to the 1950s, the electric typewriter emerged, significantly speeding up the typing process with a quieter operation. By the 1980s, portable and even personal computers began to replace traditional typewriters, changing the writing landscape forever. Today, we rely on digital devices, but the typewriter's charm still echoes in modern design. Which era's typewriter do you prefer?